In this short video, I'll show you how to set up an experiment in Brownie Bee. On the landing page of Brownie Bee, you can create a new project by clicking the Create button. This will prepare a new project at the bottom of your My Projects list. In this project, we can give a name that's relevant for what we're trying to do, maybe add some extra description of what we're trying to accomplish. Then we go down to the factor settings and begin adding the factors that we want to change. It could be that this is time between 35 and 50 minutes, and we only want to do whole minutes, so we pick discrete. And it could also be that we want to change temperature in degrees centigrade between 75 and 90, and again, also only whole degrees. And maybe as a third factor, we have the amount of catalyst we want to use in percent between 1.65 and 3%. And here we want to pick continuous numbers because we can pick any number between these two limits. And then finally, maybe we also have a process where we want to stir in some rounds per minute between 2 and 500. And again, we only want to concern ourselves with whole numbers. Now you can see that Brownie Bee has given you some suggestions for some initial experiments to do. You can change the number of initial experiments by clicking here. And we can increase it to maybe 15 if it's easy for us to do experiments. But if you just want to get started quickly, just use Brownie Bee's suggestion. In this case, it suggests 5. And once we're ready to start experimenting, we can click the Start Experimenting button to set up our data points. And once we have done our experiments and measured quality, we will be inputting the results of our measurement on a scale of 0 to 5 in terms of quality. And Brownie Bee will always try to get your quality to 5 as fast as possible.